Drowning in a sea of manual work orders, let's transform that chaos into streamlined efficiency by automating work order creation with Zapier. First, you'll need a Zapier account. If you don't have one, head to Zapier.com to sign up for free. Once you're in, click the Create Zap button to begin. Think of a Zap as your automated workflow. Now, let's choose your trigger app. This is the app that will kick off your work order creation process. Common options include project management tools like Asana or Trello, CRMs like Salesforce or HubSpot, or even something simple like a Google Sheet. Select the app and then choose the specific trigger event, such as a new task created, a deal stage changed, or a new row added to your spreadsheet. Next, it's time to choose your action app. This will be the app where your work order is created. This could be a dedicated work order management system like ServiceEdition or HouseCall Pro, or even a spreadsheet. If you're starting simple, search for your desired app and select it. Now, choose the action. You'll likely want to select something like Create Work Order or Create Task. Depending on the app you're using, click Continue. Zapier will prompt you to connect your chosen action app. Follow the on-screen instructions to grant Zapier access. Once connected, you'll see a form with fields related to your work order. This is where the magic happens. Start mapping data from your trigger app to the corresponding fields in your work order app. For example, map the task name field from Asana to the work order title field. Map the due date from your CRM to the due date in your work order system. Once you've mapped all the necessary fields, test your Zap to ensure everything is working correctly. If the test is successful, give your Zap a descriptive name and turn it on. Now, every time your trigger event occurs, a work order will automatically be created, freeing you from those tedious manual processes and optimizing your workflow efficiency.